Hello you guys, another Sunday, another video. Yeah, so it's on Sunday and I am just from church. It's around 1:30. It's around 1:30 and I was in the second service, the Kikuyu service. Reason being, yesterday I got home so late. I got home around 1 a.m. at night, so I was not able to wake up early enough to go to the English service that is usually 8 in the morning. So I decided to go to the second service and it's now done, like it's over. Yeah, I'm just here in the car about to go home as usual, waiting for my cousin to come out of the church and so that we can go home together. I have a new favorite chewing gum right now. Every Sunday. Okay, it's a coincidence that I find myself trying out new chewing gum. Okay, hii kitu yangu ni chafu sana, don't worry about it, we're surviving. So this is it. Is this here. I just love it so much. It's not so sugary. Yeah, it's awesome. So it's called Infinity. Infinity. Yeah. Infinity mint. Yeah. There. I'm showing you guys what I was in. White pants. This top. And those shoes, don't worry, the car is very dirty, so hizi viatu. Alafu, I honestly don't know what to wear for church. Sijuangi. So like I throw a pinch of casual and a pinch of official, you know, to confuse people. When it comes to church, sijui nitavaa nini. Yeah. So naona cousin yangu amenitext, ameniuliza uko sijui haoni gari ama ni nini. I'm gonna place you guys here. Oh god, sorry. So let me just fix these so that I can vlog as I drove towards where she is. I think nilipark huku ndani sana. Yeah. So as I was saying, my cousin is not seeing me, so acha tutoke hivyo, and I feel so good. Managed kwenda church another Sunday, yet another Sunday service, because this is when is today. I will confirm. I'll put it down there, and I feel so good. My soul is replenished. My energy is new. Good vibes, and inshallah. Yeah, so let's go. Kasichana kako wapi? I see her. So I already left church and then I went to drop my cousin. After dropping her, I realized that I was having a flat tire, you guys. So lakini haikuwa imekuwa like flat, but you could see the pressure was so low in the tire, so I decided to go fix that. And then I also had a package that I was supposed to pick, and then from there I went home. Getting home, somehow my mom convinces me that we need to go somewhere, see her friend. and then she tells me I will not have to drive. So, but we were supposed to pick my auntie to go with her. So when we were leaving, mama kapiga auntie. She called my auntie, and then she was off. So we decided to just go blindly and just see if she's at home and ready to go. We get there and she's on call, looking all rusty, so she wasn't ready. Kabidi tumemwacha. So we left her, and then I was supposed to drive up to my auntie's place, but somehow nimefikisha final destination. How unfair is that? Just tell me, how unfair is that? Yeah, so hadi nilikuwa nimebeba food ya kukula kwa gari juu najua si mimi na drive. But here I am, as always, falling into her traps. Yeah, also look at that golden hour. Just look at it. But I look so oily. Oh my god, my skin is so oily. Like, you know, if only my face looked like my hands. Hey, you guys. Anyway, we will fix that very soon. So yeah, that's what has been happening. Oh, na nilienda kwa nyumba. I changed into a more comfortable outfit that I can do errands in. So yeah. Okay, golden hour ya huku ina give kugive. Really giving. Yes. Let me just show you around. Imagine I carried this from Sopa just because it's glass and I can't throw it away. Yes, never ever. Yeah, unajua kitu ile bamba na hii kitu ya Sopa, it's because usually when you go to hotels with water in that bottled water in such glass bottles, wanakwanga na the bottle top, the one that you can't like recycle. But this one, it's awesome. It's doing the thing. Like, you can recycle it, reuse it, I mean, any day, anytime. Yeah. Also, look at these nails. Okay, hazionekani. Acha nitaonyesha. Okay, the lighting is poor. Off we go. Sasa poa. Hello you guys, I hope you're doing good. It's on Friday and I have had a very busy day, busy hectic week. Vlogging has not been like a cup of tea for me, but we're doing it. We're manifesting. Yeah, so have not been vlogging so much. I've had a very hectic week, especially yesterday was crazy. Yesterday was crazy for real. Yesterday was crazy for sure. So right now I'm in the car, trying to go to the car wash and then maybe come show you 2-3 things that I bought from town yesterday in the streets. So yeah, and then maybe do some laundry, make myself a meal, yeah, and call it a day. So let's go to the car wash. Singoji. Sawa. Alafu ni venye okay, niliacha nikijiongelesha. I know, right? I know. Oh my God. I don't think so. Kila mtu I think ashapewa mapesa zake za leo za Colin. Wenye hawa Colin, we? Sisi? Let's get what? Let's get we?